a big day for some downtown businesses. The first renovated block of the 16th Street Mall is now back open. The project started in April of 2022 and it's still not done. Kim Posey has a look at the new area and how businesses along the mall are responding.
Take a look. This is the first block of this revitalization project to reopen. There are large sidewalks, big patios, and there's a 15% increase in the tree canopy.
We are so excited to welcome people back to the 16th Street Mall.
Denver Mayor Mike Johnston welcomes the crowd to the grand opening of the first renovated block of 16th Street between Larimer and Lawrence Streets.
This is a very exciting day because we know that the 16th Street Mall is the spine of downtown Denver.
There are new pavers, new trees, new fixtures, new play areas, and large outdoor spaces that people are enjoying. The goal is to improve safety and infrastructure while adding public amenities in order to bring people back to that area.
It's been fantastic. A lot just seeing the vibrancy back, the alive coming back down here. It's great.
Kevin Farr is the general manager of Smashburger on this block, and he's relieved, saying the years of construction have been tough.
At times it was very tough. Question whether or not it was sustainable to be here.
And while this block looks great, most blocks still look like this, under construction.
And we've made it just because we had deep pockets.
This man owns Kilwin's Chocolate and Ice Cream on 16th between California and Welton. The city granted money to 114 businesses to help get through this period, but he says it was not enough. Now, seeing this block completed, he's trying to look forward.
This is awesome, absolutely. Our block is going to be awesome, absolutely. But how many didn't make it, right? What the city put us through, I'm sorry, but has no name.
This construction spans from Market to Broadway, and the blocks will continue to open through 2025. Kim Posey, Fox 31.
All right.